This is your daily glimpse of science.
Good morning, honey. Want some coffee?
You should drink coffee after breakfast, not before, to have a better metabolic control. A new study suggests that drinking a strong black coffee to wake up after a bad night's sleep could have negative impacts on the control of your blood sugars, like limiting the ability of your body to tolerate the sugar in your breakfast.
Really? I did not realize that.
The researchers found that although one bad night's sleep did not worsen blood glucose or insulin response of the participants at breakfast, when compared to a normal night's sleep, drinking strong black coffee before breakfast had a negative effect on the participants' glucose metabolism by around 50%. But you can balance this out by eating first and then drinking coffee later if you still feel that you need to drink some coffee.
What else did the article mention?
More research needs to be done about the effects of sleep on human metabolism. Previous studies suggest that losing many hours of sleep over one or multiple nights could affect our metabolism negatively.
I did not sleep well last night, so I was trying to kickstart my day by a strong cup of coffee. But I will go make us some breakfast first.
You just sit there, and I'll go cook you breakfast. You know it's important to keep our blood sugar levels within a safe range to lower the risk of certain health conditions like diabetes and heart disease. The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.